Problem is, if it goes on this side, it's gonna miss. I don't know because it's going back and forth. Right now, whatever's on the left side is just getting mopped. This is going back over it, so that's not too bad. Kind of left that behind. Go over it again. This is on the smart side, so it should go back and get it because it didn't get it the first time. And now again, because that's on the left side, it would just kind of mop that through, and it still did. It just left it behind. I'm not impressed. Can we go over it again? It still left it. It looked like it wanted to, but it still left it behind. See that? Now we have all of this mess. And that's just dog vomit. All of that. That's dog vomit. Dogs eat grass and then they vomit. That's what that is. So right now it's going over this part. Oh, it went back to it. This as well. It's not getting anything. That's right along the border. It's interesting too, the transition threshold.
Returning to dock.
Okay. Saying that the mop is too dirty, likely. But I need to wipe this off.
Pause.
Let's see. It backed into the dog vomit, and which is interesting because you would have thought that it would have known that it was there after having sensed it. So I got to clean that off.
Hey, so I just installed this roborock robot vacuum. It wasn't very difficult. It came in a big box, and then it basically looks like a kind of a litter box type of thing. Plug that into the wall, and then you download the app, and now it is mapping our house. So it's kind of roaming around. It's mapping out different zones. It's not bumping into things right now per se. I think it's using some sort of proximity sensor, and it gives you this really cool live animation of the map status while it's doing it. So it's done the whole kitchen. Like, it even came around and it knew like these corners here, and it knew that say for example, it mapped that like cutout with the, this cutout here underneath the dishwasher and there. So it's really like going to town, and it should know the room. Apparently in the app you can do different levels of your house too, and apparently it knows if you go upstairs or down.
Hello, I'm reviewing this Qrevo vacuum cleaner. This is a roborock vacuum cleaner. It has voice commands, it has a camera, it senses obstacles, it has 2 cleaning brushes and 2 mop pads, and right now it is self-cleaning those mop pads. You have a canister for water, it self-empties the debris, and this one is very maneuverable. It just gets into areas I didn't imagine it would be able to clean, and it does a great job. It also senses how clean something is and will come back and clean it again if it needs to. I really like it. It comes with all sorts of good information, a quick start guide, detailed instructions. There's an app, it does self-mapping of your home, and it's very easy to use. It's very user-friendly, and it's working great. I hope that this review helps you.
wash them up.